Motorcycle Wars!
Speed thrills. Pro Superbike riders go head-to-head, drag 'em style. This series of one-on-one short road circuit races will crown the fastest rider. It's a racing format they're not used to, but prize money talks. This is as real as it gets. No bullshit. The core of the series is the furious wars on the racetrack, but there's action behind the scenes as well. In pre- and post-race interviews, we'll get to know the racers, what drives them, their fears or not, their race techniques and their thoughts about their fellow competitors. And in the paddock, we'll see how these experts select equipment and modify their bikes for these demanding tests of man and machine. Motorcycle Wars is about speed, noise, superbikes, and the human drama of all-out competition.
There are no rules. Winner takes all.
The motorcycle's awesome.
There aren't any other shows out there combine the different styles of racing and the different atmosphere that this one does.
I've never taken anybody to a racetrack that didn't absolutely love it.
You have a really good dogfight with somebody else, that's sometimes just as rewarding as winning a race.
When you have to win, when you're driven to win, it's the kind of chance you'll take. You'll take that kind of chance.
At the end of the day, it's way safer on the racetrack than it is driving just at a donut shop on the street.
It's the intensity of drag racing with the corner-to-corner battles of road racing.
Motorcycle Wars. Speed thrills.